So the time is now 9:44. Do you know where your gamma flux controller is? Do you know where your electric scissor lift is? Okay, I know these sound like silly questions, but for manufacturers, they're actually vitally important because their answer is usually the same as yours. They don't know. Hi, I'm Michael Kripchak, co-founder of NGEMS. When Chetan, our CEO, and I met, stand up, Chetan, say hi. When we met, we were working on our grad degrees in New York City, and we worked together on developing next generation emergency systems. And now when we decided to turn this into a scalable business, we knew we needed to first go after a market where efficiencies and time savings have a huge impact. And we found our answer right here in the Rust Belt. And we started NGEMS to help manufacturers track equipment faster, because in manufacturing, every second counts. 1 hour of downtime costs manufacturers $10,000 on average. And machines not running means reduced production output and reduced worker output, so lots of reduced output. And this is a problem faced by all the 250,000 manufacturers here in the United States. And we decided to focus our initial efforts on plastics manufacturers. So imagine this, you're a floor manager at a factory, at a plastics factory, and you're trying to locate a mold controller. Now you search where the log says it should be, but it's not there. And so now you're frantically searching the shelves, trying to find this part, and you're not able to, bringing production to a complete halt. One of the main causes for downtime is because of time spent looking for misplaced equipment. So this is a mold storage room at a mid-sized plastics manufacturer here in the United States. And the truth is most manufacturers follow this method of organization, the hope it's where it's supposed to be method. And actually for one of our clients, one of our pilot clients, across their 4 factories, we estimate losses due to the equipment search times around $3 million annually. So, with NGEMS, we help manufacturers track faster. So, manufacturers now can use digital floor maps when they're trying to find equipment in real time, and they can even tell how high it is off the ground. And along with that, they're also able to find, instead of searching equipment rooms, they're able to find machinery, parts, and tools in a fraction of the time they could before, ensuring that production continues. The mold tracking market as a whole is underserved and under-modernized. Traditional methods such as paper logs and barcodes are cumbersome and prone to error. And most manufacturers have been hesitant to adopt real-time tracking systems because of accuracy issues, installation complexity, and high costs. Well, NGEMS has been designed to address all of these issues. We're able to install our solution for 1/3 of the cost of our competitors. And our hardware and software integration allows us to get accuracy to within 4 inches, reducing search times by up to 90%. Our team specializes in providing industrial solutions using real-time tracking technology. Our CEO, Chetan, has over 7 years experience in software engineering and design. I'm a former Air Force officer and research physicist. Our chief designer, Nitish, has over 5 years experience in software and hardware industrial design. Our lead engineer, Abhishek, is a wizard and has a background in embedded systems and software engineering. And last but not least, our team mentor, David Miller. He's a successful entrepreneur with an 8-figure exit and over 30 years experience in the real-time tracking market. So we mainly receive revenue following a SaaS model. For a prototypical installation at a 25,000 square foot facility, NGEMS would receive $25K upfront for hardware, and then a monthly recurring fee of $5,000 for software access and service. Our initial target market are the 17,000 plastic manufacturers here in the States. And this market actually gives us a $2 billion initial market to serve. So to reach those clients, we are raising $1 million, which would give us 18 months of runway. With those funds, we'd be able to expand our sales pipeline with the goal of covering 1 million square feet area across multiple properties, as well as receiving $1 million in annual recurring revenue a year from now. So over the last few months, we've been developing our sales pipeline using direct reach outs as well as leveraging our connections in the manufacturing industry. At this point, we're in final negotiations for 2 paid pilots. One of those is here in Erie, and deploying across all the properties of these clients when at NGEMS a annual recurring revenue of $3 million. And we plan to further expand this pipeline using value-added reseller networks, as well as continuing our direct sales overseen by a senior sales lead. So, we are here to track your equipment. We are helping the plastics industry with a major problem, tackling it head on, and we're poised to save their industry billions of dollars over the next few years. So, it is now 9:50. Now do you know where your gamma flux controller is? Because with NGEMS you do.